How to sign up to a HelloFresh plan. Open a browser and search for www.hellofresh.com. In here, you will find the option of login in the right-hand side of the corner at the top. You simply have to go ahead and tap on this login option. If you already have an account, simply go ahead and enter your email address and a password to log in. However, if you have forgotten any of the credentials, simply go ahead and tap on Forgot Password, then continue with your login process. You can log in without your password as well. Then you can log in using your Google, your Apple ID, or your Facebook ID. To create a new account, simply tap on Sign Up. First and foremost, go ahead and enter the email address, then select a password, then tap on Continue. After which, you have to personalize your own plan, so you can go ahead and select your preference and also customize your plan size. Then you have to register, add your address, check out, then finally select some meals. So let's go ahead and fulfill this sign up process. Scroll down once you have selected your preference and customize your plan, then tap on Select this plan. Now wait for you to be redirected. So right here, go ahead and enter your email address, then tap on Continue. Enter your password, then tap on the login bubble at the bottom. Now, add your shipping address, that is your delivery address. You can also give it a tick mark if you want offers and promotions via text messages. Finally, you can check out after selecting your plan. Then, the last option is to select your meals, and that will be landed on your doorstep. So isn't it simple? Make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.